Hey guys, Donovan here at Wilkins Harley-Davidson. Excited to show you, this is a 2016 CVO Street Glide. This color is called Black Licorice and Midnight Cobalt. Really beautiful color, a lot of metal flake, and only available on the CVOs for that year. A couple key unique features of this bike in particular. This was the last year that Harley-Davidson produced the twin cam engine in the touring bikes. So 2016, it does have a 110 cubic inch twin cam engine, a 6-speed transmission. As you may or may not know, the CVOs have what you call all the bells and whistles from Harley-Davidson. So all the really unique and beautiful accessories from the motor company. Examples being chrome switch housings, chrome master cylinders, airflow chrome grips, chrome controls, chrome engine highlights, as you can see, the airflow passenger and driver floorboards, and brake lever pads. You also have an upgraded audio system on this bike, so you have a stage 2 speakers with their own amp in the front fairing, and you have speakers in the saddlebag lids with their own amp. So a lot of great sound coming out of that radio when you want to cruise down the road and listen to your favorite tunes. You have chrome rims, chrome matched rotors, chrome fork lowers against a really nice dark metallic color. It's a beautiful bike. You need to come see it in person. If you would like more information, give us a call, 802-476-6104. Again, this is a 2016 CVO Street Glide. Mileage is just under 1,400, so 1,391 miles.